is like one of those wigs Tyler Perry would have in his plays. This is not bad. What is this? Whoa. What is that? Why do they do wigs like this? Do y'all see? What is that? They really put a cosplay wig on a lace and calling it a lace front.
I don't play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, 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 and then sashay. But I don't work for free. That's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So as y'all know, Temu and Sheen went up on their prices. I checked out them wigs and baby, they high. I mean, they like $20-something, but that's still high for a synthetic wig in my opinion. So I have 4 wigs that's synthetic that was less than $10, and I'm gonna try them on today, right now, with you guys. 1 wig, 2 wigs, 3 wigs, 4. This is really gonna be a try on out of the pack. So I'm gonna go on ahead and I'm gonna try these on. I ain't looked at them. The last time I looked at them is when I ordered them. So this is gonna be a blind reaction. I am just going to choose a wig and we're gonna go with this one. Let's try her on. Let's see what we got here. Okay, what we got here? She's brown. Brown and short. And a bang. I'm gonna see if this is gonna be a yes or a no. But she is a bob. And she has a bang, and she is synthetic. So if you do like any of these wigs, even though this is just for entertainment purpose only, if you like it, look in the description box. Okay, so this is cute. Yeah. So of course it does not, it has the fake scallop in it. And it's not bad. It's not bad. It has potential. This is cute. So, all right, let's try her on. Wait, no, let me fix these adjustable straps first. This unit has adjustable straps, and that's it. No combs, just adjustable straps. Oh. That's ugly. What is that? What is that?
Only in America.
This is weird. Baby, come look at that wig. You like this wig? This wig need a lot of work to it. I don't know what that is. It's like it wants to flip out, but it's supposed to flip in. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like the bangs. It's the bangs. I don't like the bangs. This side is not that bad. It ain't that bad because it curls right. But this side, ooh, I don't know what's going on here. What y'all think this is? Y'all give wig number 1 a rating. I don't know. If I were to give it a rating, it would be a 1. Yeah. This is like one of those wigs Tyler Perry would have in his plays, and they'll have the microphone right here. Oh, child. Yeah, we finna go to wig number 2. And it, baby, this sheds a lot. I don't know. The color is pretty. I like the color. The color is pretty. It's a brown. I just don't like the way it's flipping everywhere. I don't like it. Let's go. Ugh. I think I'm gonna take these earrings off because they a little too big. I didn't think they was gonna be in the way, but they kind of in the way. Okay. We have another brown wig. Let's see. The curls are pretty, very beautiful, but baby, what is that? What is this? Oh, that is pretty. Oh, I like this. This is pretty, but I just don't know what is this? Whoa. What is that? It ain't even got no combs in it. It just got adjustable straps. Ooh. What? Ooh. What is this? What is this? Oh, Lord. Maybe I'm supposed to put my hair over it, but my hair is not this color at all. This is cute. This is cute. The curls are cute. From this down, you see it. This is cute. I never wore this before. Okay. You see it. Yeah. Okay. It's better when you cover that up because that don't even look cute. This one, I like it. I like it. But it's on. My only concern is, baby, everything can come off. No combs in this wig. It's just there. This is way better than the first one, that's for sure. Okay. Y'all give this wig a rating. Wig number 2. What y'all think? It's cute. Because I think it's cute. I'm going to give this an 8. An 8. But without it, oh, baby, this is a 2. I mean, I understand, like, if you want to go to, like, the grocery store or whatever and you want to put something on and your natural hair is a hot mess, you just want to put something on. This the wig. Just put you on something like a scarf or something, or even a headband. That'll work. It's not bad, but it does get tangled. It's getting tangled right now. It's soft, but it's not soft, if that makes sense. You just know it's synthetic hair. But this synthetic hair got layers. She got layers. Like, look at this short piece and then a long piece. It's decent. It's decent. It's not bad. It's cute. Let's go to number 3. Let's see what we got going. We have a black. Yes, it's not brown. It's black. Okay. What we got going on here? Ooh, baby, this is long. Ooh, okay. Look at it. What? What is this? I don't know. What is this? See how long this is? Do y'all? Whoa! Y'all see how long this one is? It's synthetic, so you know it's gonna nap up. So, no combs in it, just the adjustable straps. Do y'all see? I don't even know if y'all can see the back. The back is very thin. They got like 1 track, possibly 2 tracks in the back, like in the lower back. But the top is full. It's a long unit. Baby, I think she was 40. I think I remember this one. She's 40. Oh, baby, she is long. This right here, this is not good. This ain't good at all. I don't know. Why do they do wigs like this? I'm not understanding. Y'all see how long this is? Look at that. This might be okay with a hat. Let me go find a hat. Baby girl, pink hat, skull hat, and okay. Is this better? It's better with a hat on. You just can't wear it just out the pack. It just don't look good. I don't like the way it looks. But with the hat, it's not bad. It just, this is terrible. This is terrible. It's nappy. Oh, if I were to give this a rating, like with the hat, I like it. It's a 10. It's a 10. Oh, y'all, in the back, y'all see the tracks? Do y'all see how that is? They so spaced out in the back. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay, well, I'm gonna take this on down to a 6, okay? This is a 6 for me. What y'all think? Put it in the comments, because I want to know what y'all think. Because this right here, baby, this is 0. This is 0. This is 0. Next and final wig. The final wig. Let's open her. Ooh, they gave me a stocking net. Let's see what we got. This is the only wig that I got something in. The rest of them, they don't care about me. They don't care about me. They don't care about your girl. They ain't give me nothing. This is the only one that gave me something. So I'm hoping this wig is good. Okay. Okay, we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Give me a moment. She is black. Okay. She has a, what is this called? She has a lace on it. Okay. I don't know. They probably should have just left that off because I don't see the whole point of it. Y'all finna find out. Oh, that is beautiful. Them curls are pretty, girl. Get off of me. Don't forget to take the gut out. Y'all, look at this. What is they doing? Why put a lace on this and it really doesn't do anything for it? They really put a cosplay wig on a lace and calling it a lace front. Overall, these curls are pretty, baby. She's not long. She's not a long unit, but I like this one. Like the back only. When it comes to the front, I don't know. That's a whole different ball game, okay? I got my scissors because I gotta cut off this lace. What is the whole point of this? There's no point. Just cut this lace off. Who gonna lay this down? Not me. I'll be disappointed to lay this down using products on this wig. Okay, so this is the same like the other ones. Only the adjustable straps, no combs at all. And I mean, this is actually made pretty decent. Like, I don't know, you guys ever got the wigs, and you know, I don't know, it's made decent, okay? Just letting y'all know. I really don't see the point of them even putting lace on this. Y'all see that? I'm not finna lay this down. I'm not finna use none of my good products on this lace. And there's no point of this lace being on this wig. Okay, this is really not bad. It's really not bad at all. Like, with the part wise, this is better than the other ones I had. Okay, this is actually cute. I'm surprised. Baby, you cut layers in this and you put some foundation right here in this part. It's doable. Them curls are cute. I think I'm gonna cut some layers in it. I think I'm gonna do that. Just because. What is this? What is that? This is not that bad. Okay, I actually like this one. This is not that bad. This is way better than the other ones, that's for sure. Look at that. That is cute. You just go back with it and it just fall in place. But I would put foundation on, like, the part. This is not bad. This is cute. Yeah. And she's soft. I like that. She's cute. She tangles not as much as the other ones. She's decent. This one is most definitely a 9 for me. I like this one. Don't forget to let me know the rating on this wig. But anyway, that is all I have for you guys. If you like this video and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.